You don't have to be rich, you don't have to be tall. Two men can say the same sentence to the same woman and get opposite answers. Same words, same girl. Here's what actually decides it. Step 1. Be a man who's already going somewhere. Attraction starts before you open your mouth. She's not reading your lines, she's reading your energy. A man with a full life moves differently than a man waiting for permission. So stop preparing. A psychologist named Robert proved the more we see someone, the more we like them. The gym twice a week, the class, the bar with your friends. Those rooms beat any opening line. And don't play it cool. Everyone's playing it cool. Laugh out loud. Let it show you are interested. In a world of people pretending not to care, caring out loud is a power in itself. Step 2. Make her feel something in the first 10 minutes. Most guys interview. What do you do? Where are you from? That's a form, not a conversation. Arthur Aaron sat strangers down and had them ask each other real questions, deeper and deeper. Some fell in love, one pair got married. So instead of what do you do, ask what made you pick that. People light up when someone actually sees them. Where you meet matters too. Aaron ran another study on a shaky rope bridge. Men who crossed it were far more likely to call the woman on the other side. Pounding heart, brain blames her too. So skip the quiet table. Walk, move, somewhere with life in it. Then ask her out plainly. No hints. I like talking to you. Dinner Thursday? Step 3. Don't stop being the man she said yes to. Here's where it quietly dies. You get her and then you disappear. You cancel your friends, you drop your hobbies. She becomes your whole world. It feels like love. It lands like pressure. She said yes to a man with a life, and I want you to keep that life. Aaron did another study. Again, couples who did new exciting things together stayed happier than the ones who just got comfortable. So instead of the same place every Friday, do one thing neither of you has done once a month. Step 4. Look up. John Gottman studied thousands of couples. It all comes down to tiny moments. He calls them bits. She says, "Look at that dog." She sends a random photo. Each one is a small question, and the question is, are you there? Couples who stayed together answer 86% of the time. Couples who split, only 33%. Not big fights, not big romance, just one more number. In a happy relationship, there are 5 good moments for every bad one. So instead of, "You never listen," try, "I need 10 minutes with you tonight." Instead of winning the argument, end it early. Say something like, "Hey, we are on the same team." Two men, same sentence, same girl. One gets the yes. The difference was never the sentence. It was everything he did before it and everything he kept doing after. I hope you found this video informational, and I want you to conquer every interaction you will have with a girl every single time. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.